Good morning, students. Welcome to part 2. This is how much have you learned after chapter number 7 we were doing. The homework was to classify the given seeds into monocot seeds and dicot seeds. Alright, I have given you some names. You have to classify them into monocot seeds and dicot seeds. Now, page number 58. You have to write the historical places, the holy pilgrimage places, and the tourist places of your district, which is our district Kutch. So we have to write these places of Kutch, right? The historical, the pilgrimage, and the tourist places of Kutch. You can write it combinedly 8 to 10 names. अलग अलग नहीं लिखना है, हिस्टोरिकल अलग, पिलग्रिमेज कंबाइनली सब लिख दो, जो भी आपको याद आता है इन तीनों में से कोई भी नाम हो, चाहे वो हिस्टोरिकल हो, चाहे पिलग्रिमेज हो, चाहे टूरिस्ट प्लेस हो. You can write all the names combinedly together, 8 to 10 names. Okay. Next question, what kind of business are developed in the places which are visited by maximum number of people? वो आंसर नोटबुक में लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो सिर्फ टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखना. ओके, दिस आंसर you write in textbook itself. उसको नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना है. आई बात समझ में? उसको नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना है. You have to write it directly only in the textbook. Okay. Next question. It is write the names of the given animals. Terrestrial, aquatic. Arboreal means the avians. Okay, it is the avians. ये arboreal नाम पढ़ के घबराना नहीं. They are the avians. Okay, arboreal means the avians and the amphibians. Right, you have to write 3 to 5 names of each of the following. Got it? You have to write 3 to 5 names for each of the following. Now this think and say, that is homework. ये क्योंकि सबको अपने हिसाब से लिखना है, अपना सोच के लिखना है. Right? What, from whom do you take help? It is up to you that from whom you are taking help. You take help from your parents, your friends, your teachers, your neighbors, whatever you want, you can write. What happens if sweeper is not there? अगर स्वीपर नहीं है तो क्या होगा? है ना, साफ सफाई ठीक से नहीं होगी, सब गंदा रहेगा, बीमारी होगी, ये सब लिखना है आपको. What kind of help do you offer in housework? That is up to you, that what household work you are doing in your house. आप अपनी मम्मा को कैसे हेल्प करते, घर में क्या क्या काम करते हैं, that you have to write. Then it is whom do you help at places other than home. घर के अलावा आप कौन सी जगह पे कैसी कैसी हेल्प लोगों को करते हैं. Like in school you help your friends. Okay, in the garden what do you do? That is up to you. Okay, what else are you doing? आपको याद करना है बैठ के. You will throw garbage in the dustbin, right? Then on the road you can help someone crossing the roads. That is what you do, right? So ऐसे 2 3 4 पॉइंट जितने आपको आते हैं आपको लिखने हैं. How does police help us? Means you have to write the work of a police. Right? It's maintain law and order, catches the thieves, robbers, protect us. Right? So these works you can write. Okay. Next question. It is, how can garbage be cleaned in your surroundings? First of all, you should not throw only, right? You should not throw anything here and there. Put it properly in the dustbin. Dirty water should be thrown in the gutter only. Right? So, ऐसे 2-3 पॉइंट जो भी आपको याद आते हैं आपको लिखने हैं. ये भी आपको सिर्फ टेक्स्ट बुक में ही लिखना है. ठीक है, इसको नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना. मैं जो जो लिख रही हूँ कि आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखना है उनको आप नोट में नहीं लिखोगे तो चलेगा. Then you have to write the work of the given helpers. That is a carpenter, a blacksmith, a doctor, a postman. What does a carpenter do? He makes furniture from wood. What does a blacksmith do? He makes articles like spare, door, window from iron. Blacksmith है वो iron का काम करता है. Then a doctor. What does a doctor do? He examines the patients and treats them, give them medicines. Right? This is the work of a doctor. Postman, he delivers letters. Right? So, this much you have to write in your notebook. We will continue it later in the next video. Okay? तो इतना काम है वो कर लेना अपनी नोटबुक में. थैंक यू.